Let's get real. Most of us aren't gaming on $5,000 monster PCs. Sure, those wild custom builds are fun to watch, but you don't need one to have a blast. The average gaming PC in 2025 is more powerful than ever, and that's something to celebrate. Most gamers use mid-range hardware, and that's where the real action is. Companies like AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA compete hardest here, so you get great performance for your money. Being average means you're making smart choices, not settling. Think of it like cars. Supercars are cool, but most people drive something practical and fun. Game developers design for the hardware most people actually own. Your rig is the target. So ditch the PC envy. Your build is the result of smart budgeting and lets you play what you love. In 2025, an average PC outperforms high-end rigs from just a few years ago. It's a fantastic time to be a PC gamer no matter your budget. Ready to see how powerful average has become? Let's dive in. And hey, if you like this, hit subscribe. End scene. So what's inside the typical gaming PC in 2025? Most have a 6-core 12-thread CPU, think Ryzen 5 or Core i5. For graphics, it's all about cards with 12 GB VRAM, like the RTX 4060 or Radeon 7700 XT. These are perfect for 1080p and 1440p gaming with features like ray tracing and DLSS or FSR. RAM, 32 GB DDR5 is the new standard, plenty for gaming and multitasking. Storage is all about speed, at least a 1TB NVMe SSD, sometimes more for big game libraries. Put it together, 6-core CPU, 12 GB GPU, 32 GB RAM, 1TB SSD. This isn't bare bones, it's a balanced, powerful setup ready for anything. How close is this to your build? Let me know in the comments. Why these parts? It's all about value. The sweet spot is where you get the most performance for your dollar. 6-core CPUs are fast for gaming. More cores don't help much unless you're doing heavy multitasking. That means you can spend more on a better GPU, which matters most for frame rates. Mid-range GPUs like the 4060 Ti or 7700 XT deliver fantastic 1440p gaming without breaking the bank. Going higher costs way more for only a small boost. Building an average PC is about being smart, not cheap. You get 90% of the high-end experience for half the price. That's something to be proud of. Can an average PC handle the latest blockbuster games? Absolutely. Modern mid-range hardware is built for today's demanding titles. Upscaling tech like DLSS, FSR, and ZSS gives you huge performance boosts with great visuals. Your rig can run new games at high settings, smooth frame rates, and even ray tracing. 32 GB RAM and a fast SSD mean quick loads and smooth gameplay, even in massive open worlds. You don't need to turn settings down. Those days are over. The average PC is now a powerhouse for both competitive and cinematic games. You get to enjoy the best of gaming without spending a fortune. That's the real win. Being an average PC gamer in 2025 is awesome. You're part of the biggest, most important group in gaming. Your smart, practical build is proof of how far tech has come. The gap between good enough and the best has never been smaller. Share your specs in the comments. Let's celebrate the power of the average gamer. Remember, your PC is awesome, the games are awesome, and this community is awesome. Subscribe for more, and until next time, happy gaming. End scene.